Oh, that's a long walk. Well, it's not, it's just a lap. Oh god. I feel like it's going to be that scene from a film where the guy gets his arm stuck between the rocks. It's called 76 Hours or something. That was a real steep bit, but there's just no fucking way I'm going up there in trainers. It's wicked up here. So lost Amy a minute ago because I was looking at Cool View a little bit ahead of her. She's walked on, I think, but it's so misty, so we don't even know where each other are. Thank God for phones. Phone signal. Hello. I've come to a crossroads.
Go right.
Right.
Yeah.
Well,
Have you seen what I've sent you?
Kind of. I can either go left down this weird grass path or right down past the boulder.
Right.
Right down past the boulder. Okay. I did see what you sent me, but it's hard to look at while I'm trying not to die on this rock. It's cool.
Yeah, it's quite slippery.
Yeah. Wearing trainers isn't helping. There's a real steep bit, which I'd imagine you went down a minute ago.
Yeah, I think that one of the two places I nearly broke my ankle.
Okay, well there's like loads of rocks that are like steps. I assume you went down that way, right?
No, I kind of did a loop around, I think. I should have gone down that little bit that you're about to go down, but instead I walked around the whole thing again. If you're going right, as if you're facing the car, yeah, it's the right way.
Okay, cool. I mean, I don't know which way I'm facing, but I'll just walk down it and I should get to a path eventually, and then from there I'll figure it out. Right feels wrong because it feels like you're going away from the car.
We're going a different way than we came up. Yeah, it's just more of a circle.
Alright, well, I'll see you in, well, unless one of us goes home in an ambulance, soon.
See you in a minute.
Bye! I was walking down this mountain thinking, oh god, I've gone the wrong way. It goes up again, but that can't be right. Then I saw that. Saw that before. That was the ankle. Oh, going down is best. So once you're out, every view. They're all absolutely insane.
Yep. Don't let me use the car and bikes again.
Bike free.
My heart is pounding for that. Oh my god. Probably nearly went down.
Rode on the single lane, past sheep and stone and rain. The Isle of Skye was waking slow under a hood of grey. You laughed at every bend, said look how the cliffs lean in. And I kept both hands on the wheel like I could hold this day. Then the fog came down, soft as a prayer. Old Man of Storr stood
are different to everywhere else because they come down from Iceland, I think she said. Or this bit's come off, or Iceland's come off from here, I don't know.
Wow, so factual.
I mean, all of that might be complete bullshit, and I'll ask her again later so we can confirm it. But it is a cool beach.
It's supposed to be white cloud.
This is shit.
Go back. That one's a tiny little.
They just seem to have such a pointless existence. Sort of get whipped about by the seas. One right here. You know, when I saw the first one, Amy, I was like, oh, Amy, jellyfish! It's like 7 PM. This place is nice. I was wondering what it was you'd seen, but it's obviously... You having the best time?
Just dead. Thank you.
It is pretty. 7:30, which is the wildest thing. Disgusting!
That's awesome.
Mist, sky, mist, take me there again. Sky, mist, sky.
Should probably explain. Third car. Shaki's super hyped, as you can tell.
This is a very nice town.
On the right.
Oh wait, I think it's actually up there. No, it's not. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Bear with me. It is, well, not there. Ooh, there's a place. Oh God!
That was a left footer, that was. Okay.
Women drivers. That is a great view though, look at that. So we do actually have a new car. This one cost us a lot of money, but
Bloody beautiful.
not as much as mine's going to cost me when I have to fly back to Inverness in 3 weeks' time after forcing it onto someone's lot at a Peugeot garage in Inverness, which they weren't overwhelmingly pleased about.
I need to move my left foot back.
Yeah, please don't do that again. I feel like we were having a car accident, but there was no actual accident. Looks like someone's drunkenly drawn the middle lines in as well. Hello.
Where the road turns thin.
car. I think looking down the mountain is probably not my best move.
In a paper cup burned through the afternoon. Your scarf in the wind like a flag I'd
Not gonna lie, I feel like I'm sucking my butt in because I'm terrified.
It's kind of like 0 miles an hour.
It's not that, it's the height, isn't it? That's all. And also the view behind us is going to get amazing, by the way.
follow
Should we climb this today?
home and the hills kept
Sorry, going one of those, it's like butt clench,
keeping time with the old road's low hum. And the fog came down soft as a prayer. Old Man of Storr stood up.
I bet it's so fun.
Do it then.
I would be doing it at that speed too. Slow as absolute balls. You should see the pros doing this, it's insane.
It's worth a video.
Out of
Wow, that view is mad.
nowhere.
What would have taken us, what, 6 hours? Managed to do it in about 8 minutes.
Sky in the mist, sky in the mist, take me there.
Oh no!
This is proper swinging.
This is fun!
Oh, we're on the flat now, we're fine.
Are we?
Oh, wow.
Don't do this. That's
Why is
not
it
fun.
bloody hell?
That's not fun at all. We're so close to the end as well, you pricks. Oh no.
Imagine that on the really steep bit. This is proper swinging.
I'm kind of getting used to it, but
It's quite relaxing actually. Now that we're near,
No.
near the end. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Hey Chucky.
Have we seen that state today we go back?
Well, not staying overnight. What's happening next weekend?
Huh?
What is it?
Snowboard grind boxes.
No,
So not excited for this, I might have to look down.
no.
Put this drink here. Oh my god.
No.
Take this off so I can breathe. Oh, it's actually not that fast. Oh no, it is. That's so shaky. You're such a bastard. You have no respect for people with fear of heights, do you? We're in a lift, I behave myself.
No, you bloody didn't.
We're in a gondola.
Again. Sky in the mist, sky in the mist, where the road turns thin.
It's the Harry Potter is so great.
Hello.
Don't forget to bring a towel. Hello.
Hello.
You see this? This is my car, but I thought I was going to have to fly back and get this. I don't currently. Every time I do anything, I'm like, please don't stop working. But so far, so good. Sitting on cruise control, risking going to the Lake District. It's been a mission, like £1,500 minimum worth of a mission, but it's working. What? A couple of days. I say couple, not a week. Sort of gave up going up a hill. I can't believe I'm in my car. Definitely thought I was going to have to fly back and get this. Probably will still, from somewhere else. Taking a moment to tell everyone I just drove over a river called the River Garry. It's a fucking great name for a river. Garry! That's all I have to say. Just driving over the River Almond. It's it's where, Amy's pointing it out right now. It's where they get all the milk for almond milk, because they milk the almond trees and then it goes into the river, and then at the end someone puts it all in a big box on a lorry, and then we get almond milk. I've been in the car on my own for too long. It's so hot in there. So hot. And then directly at me, and it's not even touching the sides or the top or the bottom or any of it. Hey Amy. We're on a boat. There's only one problem with me being behind. I push a little bit harder than you, so we turn every time.
I was thinking you were going to steer us that way, so I've not even been touching the water.
Where do you want to go?
Yeah.
Up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go up there then.
I thought that's what you said when you
I said across the water, but this works. Doing a skid!
And I want a photo before we capsize.
Photo of what?
Before we capsize.
Really nice place. What? Oh, you could do it for a while.
My left hand's like, nah!
Ducks. Little duck cross inlet. No. Recreating the Titanic. Oh, it's ripping the side of the boat in half. We're going to sink. We got to touch it. I did say I would. Oh yeah. That's a bit of speed right there. Oh yeah. Some message in a bottle. I think we should leave it. Oh, there's a chain down there. Oh, it's fish!
Oh, little fishies.
Oh, Nemo! I've got the whole thing in there and half my hand. My socks got wet on the boat, so I've come up with an elegant solution. It's going to dry them up well quick. Air conditioning is the best invention. Oh, the floor's so gross. You probably sink into it.
Please don't shout about that. Boiling bits and then freezing.
The pea spots, isn't it? It's where all the fish congregate and have a wee.
Just peed on your leg.
Oh no. Could have a pee right now, to be fair. It's good, isn't it? Whew.
Oh, this bit's freezing.
Yeah,
This is like the Arctic.
this is the cold
And
bit.
this bit is boiling.
Oh, is that cool? Synchronised swimming? All we're doing is causing a mud cloud. Maybe it's a private local spot because everyone's down the beaches.
Bloody tourists.
Yeah, and a man said, you should go here. And I said, okay. Then he made us walk for an hour. When it was still hot, it's now cooled down.
It wasn't an hour though.
Lovely backwards. You just
I'm
watch it from over here.
glowing,
It's just
I'm
going to
so
suddenly
proud.
go. It's going to suddenly go.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
What is it?
A bit of lake weed or something. You know. Oh.
I feel like to get your head on it, you haven't done it. The bit where you take me home with cholera. Like I want to, but I really don't. I've just got to get
3.
myself back to where the stones are.
3,
There they are.
2, 1. No, you can't hold your nose.
Of course I'm going to hold my nose.
But you've got to fully embrace it. 3, 2, 1. Dunk. Wow. That fringe is looking great.
Doesn't taste very good. It tastes like,
Madden water?
yeah, it's not great.
Just a little bit of fish poo.
At least I've done it. Your turn. They've gone under several times. Sure, my rock moved. I wasn't expecting that. Don't let go, Jack. We're going to be really brave and swim to the island. Right.
World gets loud, I'll go back to that Ben. White mist on the glass and your smile in the rain. Let the miles fall away, let the dark blue open wide. I can still feel the calm in the cliffs.
Oh, something's bit me.
Hey?
Something's bit me.
Bit you? Oh, in here. Now we've done everything we want to do on a holiday except one.
What?
Drink whiskey in Scotland.
We got the whiskey.
We did get the whiskey.
We should have that tonight, actually.
We both know we hate it.
No, I don't hate it. I would much rather something else.
I don't hate it. I
mixed
just
with Coke.
sincerely dislike it.
On its own, it's a bit.
Hello.
You give me this.
We left with the map in half, 4 parts deep and the tires all worn. Now the last road bends north and the morning feels weathered, reborn. Your hand on the dash, mine on the wheel, salt in the seams of the coat you wore. Every mile we couldn't name has been waiting for this final door. And the hills pull back like they know our names. The lock goes still as the whole thing changes. I can hear us now in the wind and the rain. One more turn, then we're different again. NC500, take us home. NC500, we're not alone. All these miles, they led us here. Last night, last laugh, last year. NC500, take us home. NC500, windows cracked and shared one blanket against the cold. Saw the sheep on the shoulder line and the gulls cut sharp through the silver road. You laughed when the sky went low, like it couldn't touch what we'd become. Now the road gives back its name, and the final stretch comes one by one, and the hills pull back like they know our names. The lock goes still as the whole thing changes. I can hear us now in the wind and the rain. One more turn, then we're different again. NC500, take us home. NC500.